Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. I'm Priyanka. Today's video is going to be a Zivame haul. Zivame has a grand lingerie festival where there's huge discounts. So today's video is going to be all about that. I'm going to show you guys some nightwear and lingerie, and you'll get them all in very good discounts. So grand lingerie sale starts on 8th September and they have up to 70% off, and they have cash on delivery, free shipping, and they have easy 15-day return or exchange policy. And also you can get an additional 10% off by using my discount code, which I'll put right here. So they have amazing sale with huge discounts, and you can also use my code to get that additional discount. So you can pick up all those essentials and nightwear and anything that you need during this sale. So this is India's biggest intimate wear sale, and they have like unlimited styles and latest trends. And all of this is a limited period offer, so do get your hands on whatever you need during this sale. So I'll show you guys what I picked up. In my last haul I showed you guys some sports bras and shapewear and some other lingerie and sleepwear. So in this video I have something very different from the last one. So usually I've been trying the pajama and top sets, so this time I thought I'll get a night dress. So I already like tried this on today, so that's why it's inside out. So I got this night dress. So I thought I was a little skeptical about my size, but then I got this in 2XL and it looks super cute. It's yellow and it has like hot air balloon and some other cartoons. It's really cute, you guys. The color is so pretty, and at the bottom it has these ruffles. It is super cute. It's a little below your knee length. It's a little below knee length for me, and I think it's really cute, and the fit is good, and as you wash it or like as you wear it, it'll expand a little bit more, and the fabric is very soft. It's really cute. It's something you can wear in your house, or like when you have like your girls sleep overnight also you can wear it. It's really cute. So I really like this one. I usually get like top and pajama sets, but I was a little skeptical about night dress and whether my size will be available, but I'm like super happy. It has pockets also. I love it when night clothes, especially dresses, have pockets. So yeah, really cute one. I think after a while I'll definitely get like more dresses now that I know that my size is available. So I got a double XL in this, and yeah, super cute. Definitely recommend this. Get yourself this. It is so damn cute, and this is like my birthday month. Like I just tried it on, okay, I did not wear it but this is like my birthday month, so I wanted to get like normal outfits as well, like a birthday dress, but I wanted to get a night dress for the previous day. So I wanted to get like a cute night outfit, so now I have that as well. And there are like so many other designs available. First I just wanted to get one and see if my size actually fits, and I got one more night suit. This time again, like it's a night suit. So it's also like super comfy. At the waist it has like stretchable fabric, and rest of it is this really soft fabric. It's not stretchable. They're like basically I think cotton mix something. It has like flowers all over. I love this color, and it is so damn soft. It's going to be super comfortable. And I got like I usually have like normal shirts which are half sleeves, so I got like full sleeves for the upcoming winter. It's already getting a little chilly, so yeah, it has like 3/4 sleeves and a very cute print. So you can wear it at home during the day also, and it's like quite long. Basically it's your like housewear kind of a thing, and like nightwear. It's very cute. I quite like this set as well. This one is like super pretty. It's very cute. However, it's a little tight on me. I think the trousers are not going to fit, but if you get your size, definitely grab this because it's really cute. Like you can see it's such a cute PJ set. And then I got some activewear. So in the last haul I got a sports bra, and I have like a couple of sports bras. So this time I actually got activewear in the pant. So I've been trying to work out like a few days in the week. I'm still trying to like, you know, maintain a regular routine, but anyway, I thought I'll get some trousers for that. So I got these pants. They're like pretty basic gray pants, and it's that stretchable fabric and sweat absorbent fabric, and it feels really comfortable. I've tried it on already, and if you're looking for like workout wear, they have a lot of options. I got like a neon yellow sports bra in my last haul. Do check that out. I'll leave the link for the previous haul also in the description box. So I thought, you know, I'll add some activewear into my collection. So yeah, This is like a basic one. If you're going for like a walk, or if you're working out also at home, when you're doing like Zumba or something, you can wear this. So I've been trying to do a little bit of Zumba and a little bit of like walking on treadmill, but I am thinking I should go out for like morning walks as well. My brother does it like every day, morning or evening, so I'm thinking maybe I can join him. So yeah, pretty excited about these. So next I have this nude bra, and I already have like one or two of these. Got one recently in my previous haul. So this is your basic bra, but then it's not padded, it has 2 layers, and it doesn't have underwire, so it's pretty damn comfortable. At the same time, you don't have to worry about like thick cups. If you're looking for something comfortable yet seamless, then this is the one that you should go for. So because of the 2 layers, even if it is a little cold, the padding issue is not a problem. Because it has 2 layers, even though it doesn't have pads, this is actually pretty good. You don't have to worry about any lines or anything. It is seamless, and also it's like very comfortable. I don't like it when the underwire pokes, especially for something which you want to wear on a regular basis. So if you're looking for like a daily wear or something for your dresses where you need a seamless bra, then you should go for this. It is also detachable. It has detachable straps, so you can wear this underneath any of your dresses for which you need a seamless bra. So I already have one, so I picked up another one. I think it is available in other colors as well. I got this one sometime back, like a year and a half or 2 years back, and I really liked it, so that's why I picked up more of these. I think they're great for like regular use. They're very, very comfortable, and they're very useful as well. You don't have to worry about any lines or anything showing up. It's very seamless. It's great. I highly recommend this. If you are to get like one nude bra, then this is the one that you should go for. So next up, I got something a little different. I got this bralette. I thought it's really, really cute. I have been eyeing this print, but I was waiting for a sale. So I've been eyeing this print. I've had it in my cart. I was just waiting for like the right sale so that I can get it. It's a very cute print, and the fabric is so damn soft. It again has 2 layers. It's not like a sheer fabric. The fabric is so soft, and it is of a really, really good quality. So yeah, it's a nice bralette. So if you have any of your clothes with your deeper neck, then you can wear this bralette. It'll show up only a little bit. Or if you have something which is a little see-through and you want to wear like a bralette, then this is great. So this is also really cute. I really like this one as well. So that was my haul from Zivame's Grand Lingerie Festival, you guys. I hope my recommendations were useful. All the links will be in the description box, and also you can use my code to get additional 10% discount. So the code will be right here and even in the description box. So use that code when you're checking out. And that is it for this haul, you guys. The Grand Lingerie Festival starts on September 8th, and they have up to 70% off, and they have cash on delivery, free shipping, and they also have a 15-day easy return or exchange policy, which is amazing. So anything that's been in your cart or anything that you've been looking to buy, this is a great time to get it. So all of these links will be in the description box, and also I've spoken about shapewear and everyday lingerie and also sports bras in my previous video, so I'll link that one as well. Do check out my other Zivame hauls as well, and don't forget to subscribe to my channel and find me on Instagram for like more hauls and mini reviews and styling videos. So I'll see you guys in the next video. Bye.